Welcome to our short demo of our proposed system titled as E-Sumbong, a barangay blotter system for Barangay Plaza Aldea in Tanay, Rizal. So this main page contains the login and then the registration of an account. So for now, as users and tester of our system, we welcome you in evaluating the current version of our system. So proceeding now with the registration of an account. So to register your account, users must fill out all the necessary data fields, and please do take notice that information being applied from these database are and being submitted are being evaluated and thoroughly checked before it will be accepted coming from the uh, database. So there will be a slight delay before all will be processed and then proceed with the main feature of the system. So now returning back into the main page. So for the main page, for our own current session, we'll be using a prepared account coming from the database. So now proceeding with the main dashboard of our system. So there's multiple features we'll be discussing coming from this demo. But for now, first, we'll be discussing with the main dashboard. So anong laman nitong main dashboard? So for main dashboard, this contains news and updates coming from the barangay. So the admin side is responsible in taking care and managing all of the generated reports, news, or updates happening from the barangay. So if there's an issue or main case or being reported that occurred from the barangay official or staff can easily update and track and create a report and which will be reflected back from various users wherein they can check some of the news in particular coming from the barangay. So here's some of the highlights and some links where they can visit some of these articles. So for now, we'll be proceeding with some of the features that this system offers. So for this session, we'll be proceeding now with first with the file complaint. So what is file complaint? So in file complaint, this is this is the main feature of the system wherein US or US user can submit a report. So before you can proceed and submit some of the reports, you must complete some of the data fields required from this page. And just a notice that before you apply some of the changes or before submitting report, please be wary that all the necessary info that you'll be putting in the data fields must be accurate, or the barangay can track it and then apply some of the policies that they can enforce. If some information that you have detailed are miscorrected or not accurate enough to be checked by. So if there's some info that can be malicious, the barangay can apply some of their necessary policies to enforce to you if there's some activities that or information that can be uh, negative in particular. So please do take notice that and be sensitive and before you submit a report. So proceeding now with the complete status. So The complete status contains the history or tracking of reports wherein as users po, kung gusto nyo pong i-view yung other reported details or reports that have been submitted coming from previous sessions or from other years, pwede po nilang ma-view dito. And then there's an option here wherein you can edit it or delete it. So this option can only be used when the report is still in the process of pending. If the report or already been accepted, it cannot be edited or deleted since it's already being recorded from the database. So please do take notice of this. And then proceeding with some of the additional features that our system has added. So first is the analytics. So what is analytics and what does it contain? So the analytics contains some, in short, the graphs coming from the in real time from the database. So all generated reports accepted by the admin and then being recorded now and processed from the database are being reflected back from this. So each user can track and be updated some of the cases that are being received by the database. So kunwari, gusto nyo malaman kung anong particular cases or what type of report ang nare-record most coming from most users, if this type of major or minor or what type of crime that have been mostly being reported, such as, let's say, theft, the number of theft or the number of robbery, pwede pong makita dito. So, in short po, all na po siya ang pagka-categorize po dito. So, yung cases po na makikita dito is sorted as all na po. So, there's no filter or any types of sorting that are being applied here. So, for short po, lahat po na nakikita dito is being reflected through daily or through previous month. So, lahat po na makikita dito, especially from the pie chart and then po do sa graphs, especially on the front, ay coming from as monthly. But additional option is, meron po dito for today, wherein you can check by if some of the cases from the major or minor are being reflected back currently on this time of day. So next is the map and hotspot. So what does it entails? So the map and hotspot contain po wherein you as user can select some of the particular sitios or purok. So if you need some additional inquiries or you want a specific type of report wherein you can see what type of cases that are being recorded in particular into some sitio. Let's say if you're located in this particular sitio in sitio Bathala. So what type of cases mostly are being reported by your neighbors? So let's say for now, when we check on the sitio Bathala, so for this session, there's been already been generated a type of one case that is recorded as a robbery. So the admin has already confirmed this. So that means that in the process of accepting this, the admin is already in the process of resolving this issue. So as users, you can easily track some of the cases or type of crimes that being recorded coming from the database. So what if you want to change some of the details from your account? So we'll be now proceeding with the account profile. So in the account profile, only the contact number or the email and the username can be edited. And other information such as the name and the location are binded from your account and cannot be already edited. So that's already a constant and given. The process of evaluating and checked by the admin uh, as it is linked from your uh, account profile from the uh, barangay. So please do notice that once you registered, some data fields come especially from the name and the location are not being editable. And once created, it's already been fixed. So what if you need some help for support or if you want to contact some help? So there's an option here wherein you can see some of the account information. So proceeding with the need help, or if you want to have some clarification and you want to directly contact them in person, so the exact location is listed from this contact us. So if there's an option where you can contact them directly from through landline or through through mobile, the list of numbers are listed from this. So all in all, these are the features that the system uh, are being declared. And thank you for giving your time for this short demo.